How do you know that you've gotten to Magic Kingdom really early? When you're in the first row of cars. We're in Zurich 407 W Disney. Oh, sorry, I'm an old person, so I remember when they advertised the phone number for Disney. Yeah, it's 407 W Disney. Anyway, we are here really early this morning to be able to go into Chef Mickey's. We have never done Chef Mickey's. So we are taking our little guy and doing Chef Mickey's for the first time ever. He has just become amazingly obsessed with all the characters. So we thought this would be a fun way to do it. So we're going to give our review and see what we think of the food, see what we think of everything involved. First, well, we parked at the ticketing center and are taking the monorail over. What you're going to do is just go ahead and get on the monorails that are for the resorts. So we're gonna go do that, and we're running a little late, so let's go. All right, so just a little tip. Unlike the express monorail, the hotel monorail actually goes the other way. So it's going to be our last stop. So there are quite a few stops in between. You've got the Polynesian, the Grand Floridian, the park itself. So it's going to be a couple stops. So you're going to want to budget time for that. All right, the next thing is you're going to have to check in with the mobile app and then wait until they're saying that your table is ready. So right outside the front here, it does look like there is some stroller parking as well. So we've gone ahead and parked our stroller there while we're waiting for our table to be ready. On the way in, we've got a little bit of the options here for Chef Mickey's while we're getting our table. Hey, buddy. I know, look who it is. He's right by our table, dude. This is a hit already. And look who's next to our table already. As we get to our table, we already have our signed stuff. And Little Man has seen Goofy. Oh, we get two of them. And Little Man is, of course, excited about all of this already. Let's be honest, I am too. It's actually really cool. We've never done this, so we'll let you know how all this is. It is family style, which means we don't have to get up and get food. The waitress brings all the stuff to the table, and then we get to choose what we want to eat from there, and then can ask for refills and whatnot, because it is all you care to enjoy. So let's get to breakfast. All right, we'll call it the first course has already arrived. We've got sweetbreads, we've got a little bit of a fruit salad here and some yogurt and blueberries. So, wow, this looks wonderful already. So, I'm not the type to actually eat on camera. I know a lot of people feel it's kind of disgusting to watch me eat, which I kind of get. So, I will go ahead and eat and try everything, and then I'll let you know after I try it how it actually is. So, we'll do that, and we'll show you all the characters that stop by in the meantime as well. Pluto, hello, sir. Pluto, he was Pluto for Halloween last year. Yeah. It was really hard to find a costume for you, so the wife made one.
Yeah, I couldn't find one anywhere.
You got to talk to Mickey about more costumes for Pluto. Yeah. So there are magical morning cocktails as well, and here's a shot of all of them. I don't really think that we're going to do it since it's our reservation was 7:40 in the morning. I know that lets all of the folks that I went to college down with because, well, it's 5 o'clock somewhere. But I just wanted to show everybody what they have available.
For you.
Oh, Mickey made a special pancake just for you, buddy. All right, that is definitely a cute pancake.
And in here, we're going to have Mickey waffles, bacon, sausage, chicken sausage.
Oh yeah, you do get Mickey waffles at the house too. But Mickey makes these ones.
Yeah.
Dad makes your Mickey waffles.
That's banana French toast with mascarpone and Nutella.
Ooh.
And be careful with this one. This is really hot. Cheesy potato with
Oh, I think we need to switch these ones because the wife is going to take this.
Oh, perfect.
And
Dad gets one of those.
Dad
maple syrup over here. And
All right.
ketchup and hot sauce for you guys.
Ketchup and hot sauce as well, please. All right. Well, this spread looks pretty amazing, actually. So we'll dig into all of it and let you know what we. And of course, little man is really excited. We'll dig in and let you know how all of it is. All right. So the first couple bites, I had the donut and also the yogurt and the fresh fruit. That first course that came through, really all standard stuff. Donut was a little crunchy, but overall really good. Just a cinnamon and sugar kind of a donut bowl. Your standard fruit bowl, kind of not completely fresh, but overall really good, just normal quality fruit. And then the yogurt, pretty standard yogurt. It was a strawberry yogurt with some blueberries in it. So pretty standard there. Nothing to write home about yet, but I'm really excited about the next couple things. So we'll tune in here and the next bit. So we did find a way to have our toddler eat here, as you tell them that the characters will not be coming out unless they eat. Half of that pancake has gone very, very quickly. They are actually signing autograph books again. However, you still do get the autograph card, which is kind of nice. So we did try the banana bread and... Whoop, hold on. Hey, Donald. Hey, Donald showed up at the table.
Yeah. Thank you for cooking our breakfast today.
It is fantastic. Which one did you cook, Donald? You cooked all of it? Oh. No one's helping?
They're just walking around.
Yeah, well, thank you, thank you, Donald. I'm sorry. I was thinking that Mickey should be helping. Do you want to hug Donald real quick? Oh, thank you, Donald. All right, well, I guess you better get back there and cook if you're the only one doing it. Bye. Thank you. It tastes great. Oh, thank you, buddy. All right, back to the review. Had the banana bread first. A little dry. I had to put a little bit of the syrup on it. The banana is really good with it. And of course, fresh whipped cream is always a win there. So a really good one there. The one that has surprised me so far, now I haven't had everything, was actually the waffle. A really good Belgian waffle, light and airy, not too airy though, and had that great vanilla taste to it. A little bit of syrup, and it was a really good waffle. It was a little, I won't say cold, but it wasn't piping hot. But then again, I've been trying other stuff, so that's definitely going to happen when it's sitting at your table. So we'll move on to the next couple bites here. Oh, Goof! High five, Goof. Oh, high fives for everybody. Woo! Look, what is Goofy doing, buddy? Is he being goofy?
We're being silly.
Just being goofy. You gotta talk a little bit louder. He's really tall, buddy. You gotta talk. You want me to talk to him? What do you want me to tell him? You want me to give him a hug? Okay, we'll give him a hug. All right, Goof. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, yay. Do you want to give him a hug too? Give him a hug. Oh, thank you, Goofy. All right, so pro tip, bring some wipes. You definitely don't want your kids' hands all over the characters with, stuff all over their hands. So pro tip there, because they're stopping and starting eating, you're probably going to need a few of them because, well, Mickey and Minnie are here and we didn't want things on their stuff. Minnie! Oh, buddy. Hey, can you show her your shoes, buddy? Yeah. So Minnie, Donald said he cooked everything. Is that true? No? Yeah, I thought it was kind of funny too. Can you say bye-bye? Good job, buddy. So we're finding out that Donald may not have cooked everything like he said. All right. Well, we're waiting for Mickey because he's real close. Let's go through a couple of the other things. The bacon, really thin, your standard restaurant bacon. I prefer a thick cut bacon. That's just kind of the way that I like my bacon. But it is, good restaurant bacon, and well, a lot of it. The eggs are your kind of standard fluffy eggs. They're cooked really well. I did have to salt and pepper them. I liked a little bit more seasoning. I don't think there was any seasoning on them. So that is just kind of something to be aware of. And I love cheese with my eggs. And, well, I'm not sure if I can ask for it. I probably could, but I haven't. I am also a person, I know, I put ketchup and hot sauce with my eggs. It's just something I do. So they do have Tabasco sauce. And of course, they'll bring you out a little ramekin of ketchup. So that definitely helps there. The sausage, well, it's a turkey sausage, which I like, but the consistency, it's ground a little bit too fine for me. Kind of like the European sausages, a little bit finer grind, which is good. I don't like that consistency personally. But overall, the sausage tasted good. But just my mouthfeel was a little bit different. So overall, so far, really good. And I will say the potatoes, actually, have now been the surprise. Really good cheesy potatoes that just have a great flavor to them. Overall, they go really well with everything else. So I better get going because I think Mickey's just about here. Uh-oh, look who's here. Mickey, he wants to show you his shoes. Look, bud. And you're all over his shirt too, Mickey. He loves you. Yep, that's... Oh, big hug. Yep. Oh yes, of course. We've got you on video, Mickey. Oh, more hugs. He has been looking forward to this all morning.
He wants you to come home with us.
Yeah.
We'll cook for you if you come home with us.
Now, Mickey, Donald said he cooked all of this. Not true. You cooked all of it? Are you sure Minnie didn't help? Okay, Minnie helped a little. Okay. Was she your sous chef then? Yeah. Oh, more hugs. Well, hey, Bubba, Mickey's got to go see other people, but he'll probably be around. Yep, you got to eat. Mickey's telling you got to eat more.
Yeah, and then he'll come back.
And then he'll come back, so you can grow taller. Yeah.
Yeah, he's so close to writing some of the...
Thank you, Mickey. You are fantastic, sir. You grow big. All right. Bye, Mickey. We'll see you real soon. You a little starstruck, buddy? Yeah. All right, so I absolutely love something that Mickey just did. Right before he left, he let little man know that he has to eat more so he can grow big and strong. And so as you see, as he's staring at Mickey, as he walks away, he's already eating his bacon and his pancakes. So they actually help you with your toddler trying to eat, which has been a little bit of a struggle because there's so much going on. But he honestly has been eating very well. And the fact that the characters are even helping with that is even better. All right, so there's one surprise that I didn't actually see previously. In the bottom here, there's brisket. So we'll have to let you know how the brisket is. And there's an announcement. All right, that's really fun. And I'm glad that they still interact with the kids while they're actually doing their dance. You saw Pluto even taking care of the little ones that are being bottle fed in their carrier right now. So I like that part. And we got more to go yet. Here's Goofy. Looks like the entire crew is making their round. All right, so it sounds like that's the end of the song. We had 3 of the characters, which we missed the main mouse himself and, of course, Donald. But overall, that was really cute and a lot of fun. So little man ate through the whole thing, not clapped. I actually kind of like that even more. So moving into how the brisket was. Overall, the brisket was a little dry. I do my own brisket at home. I like good smoked brisket. It does look like it has a smoked ring, but I'm pretty sure that's an artificial smoked ring. It really didn't have the smoky flavor that I'm used to. The pull test really wasn't there. You had to pull really hard to get it to go. It is a nice addition to a breakfast. It's got a nice saltiness, but no pepper, no real seasoning on the outside crust. There is no crust. So overall, I'll probably stick to just the bacon for me, and also the potatoes and some eggs. So we're going to continue to eat here, and we'll tell you how the rest of this is here in just a second. All right, so my overall thoughts of Chef Mickey's. It's a lot of fun. Little guy really enjoyed it. I think we almost enjoyed it more. Of course, his reactions to the characters are always priceless. As I said, really fantastic age group to bring in. And remember, under 3, you don't pay for. So a really great age to save some money as well. It is an expensive breakfast. It is, with tip, was about $100. So overall, though, the food was good. I love the fact that it's family style. I love the fact that they bring it to you, that you don't actually have to get up and go to a buffet and do all of that. With a little guy, it's just really difficult. So overall, would I do Chef Mickey's again? Yes. Is it better with a small kid? Yes. Would I do it just as a date night or a date breakfast with my wife? Probably not. Overall, though, really good. The food was good, and a fantastic experience. So if you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up and smash that like button if that's what you're into. And of course, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified when I release new content. And until then, from Chef Mickey's, we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye, everybody.